Howdy, Internet. It's your old friend Dominic here with the All-American Casino Guide, and we're doing another one of our late-night poker roundups. This is where I take a look at some of my deputies playing some late-night online poker with each other, and then I give some feedback to them and vicariously you, because you're going to learn from every single hand that I talk about, because every single hand is a learning experience. So without further ado, let's take a look at the hands and learn something together. So I always like to take a quick look at all the hands pre-flop and pick a pre-flop winner. This is the hand that I think is most likely to win just from the pre-flop information I have. Obviously, I want to pick the pair of queens. And I'm going to pick the pair of queens, even though there's... No, you know what? I'm not. I can't help myself. I cannot help myself. King 5, King of Hearts, 5 of Spades, that's literally my magic hand. I'm not even kidding you. I always talk about how I love King 5, but it's specifically the King of Hearts and the 5 of Spades, all right? So I really hope that Horace agrees with me and he chases this hand as much as he should. But he's probably gonna lose to the pocket queens or the ace 10. All right, so he's at least, the Horace is at least the big blind, so he's not gonna fold offhandedly unless somebody just goes crazy pre-flop. Vendrick has 7-10, he has an option. To go with the rest of the big, okay, there's the big blind. Horace has an option, he should just roll the cards. No, he re-raises to 200. Oh God, a re-raise to 300. It looks like people are calling. Looks like Vendrick has now got another choice. He's real conservative. He was in for 100. He's probably gonna chase the other 200. Yeah, okay. So Horace now, is he gonna re-raise? Please, God, don't re-raise. Jack, Jack 2. Okay, so Vendrick's got a pair of jacks like everybody else. He's probably going to check. Horace has got $100 on the line. He's going to throw $100 out there. Okay, looks like everyone likes that. $100. Even Allison, who's got 2 pair of queens and jacks. I told you she was probably going to win, but the queens were going to win. I'm just rooting for the King 5, which is at this point not going to happen. $500 coming from King 5. Allison's gonna call, guaranteed. There's another king. At least it's King Jacks, which, oh my God, actually, wait a minute. He wins. King 5 wins. King 5 is better than Queen 5. Oh, wow. Okay, see, I told you King 5 is gonna be the big Okay, let's look at this next hand. My pre-flop prediction is that Vendrick with his pair of jacks is going to win because jacks are better than 4s. Wow, that last hand, I'm still reeling over my prediction. King 5, I'm telling you, man, King 5. People, it's going to be the hot hand that people are going to be talking about all over the internet. King 5. Sure, you can play your ace king, but have you played King 5? Allison with ace 5, she's in for 100. Vendrick he's in the perfect position being on the dealer button. He's gonna just go in for 100. Horace, 100. PM star, okay. 277. All right, Horace has 2 pairs, 7s and 4s. He's probably gonna bet around pot 300. Okay, there we go. PM star, she's got a pair of 2s. She's in for 300. Bluff and folds. Allison, she's got a pair of 7s like everybody else. Ace kicker though. She should feel at least some confidence from that. She folds. Vendrick's in for 600 because he's got jack 7s. Okay. All right, there we go. Now it's going to be a full house for PM Star, who's in for a grand. Vendrick's in for a grand as well. Okay, 5 of spades, no help there. PM Star still has the hot hand. 2s over 7s. Everyone's calling 2,700. PM Star wins with ace 2. Wow. Okay. Now, I would be crazy to pick King 5 when it's King 5 diamonds and clubs. Not going to do that. I'm going to pick the aces. I know I always say aces aren't nothing, but I always talk about how King 5 is everything. But I'm going to be smart enough to know that the aces are probably going to win this hand. That's my pre-flop prediction. But don't rule out King 5. King 5, King 5 could be the dark horse in this hand. Speaking of aces, Horace has the first option. He raises to 200 pre-flop. PM Star calls. Bluffin calls to this King 5. Allison, Queen 9. She's the small blind. She's going to limp in the other 150 maybe here. Let's see. She takes her sweet time. 200, okay. Roll the cards. 6, Queen 10. Okay, Allison's got a pair of queens. She checks. Vendrick checks. Pair of aces. Horace still got the top pair. He drops 600. PM Star folds. King 5 folds off of Bluffin. Allison still got that pair of queens. She gonna chase 600? She does. Vendrick's out of the hand, guaranteed. Okay, there's the 9, so that's queen and 9s now. See, aces lose against 2 pair. At the end of the day, it's just 1 pair. And there's another 10, so now aces are gonna win. Aces and 10s instead of queens and 9s. All right, so Allison's sitting pretty, and he wins about 6 grand in chips. All right, there we go. Pair of aces. See, I told you pair of aces. It was. I know you were probably thinking, man, I don't think if this guy's crazy picking aces pre-flop. That's not a hand that I would pick. Yeah. Pre-flop, I'm predicting King 8 over Ace 6. King 8 over Ace 6. 8s, I find, are a very lucky number. I know that sounds crazy. So PM Star's in for 100. Bluffin's in for 100. Allison with her King 8. She should be in for 100, yep. Vendrick with 6-5, he's in for 100. Horace has an option. Ace 6, he's going to double it. Double the big blind to 200. He's trying to get that. I don't know why he does that. Unless you're going to like quadruple the big blind, you're not going to scare anybody out. All you're doing is like adding $500 to the pot. All right, 8, Jack 7. See, what did I tell you? King 8 is going to win the day. So Ace 6 here. Horace has an option. Vendrick checks first. I mean, he does have a straight draw. 5, 6, 7, 8. Everyone fold. Everyone checks. Okay. 2 of spades. Everyone's checking around the board again. 500 coming from Bluffin. Allison's got that pair of 8s. Hopefully she doesn't get chickened out. Prove me wrong. Come on, Allison. You got a pair of 8s. I already picked your hand to win, so don't make me look stupid. She took too long. She folds the hand. I'm telling you that King 8 would have won, though. That counts. Fold. Horace folds. Everyone folds to his... Oh, jeez. All right. Okay, pre-flop, I'm picking the pair of 9s to beat out the pair of 6s. No, you know, yeah, I'm still picking the pair of 9s. Even though there's a Jack Queen at the bottom of the board with Vendrick, Queen 10. I'm telling you that pair of 9s is speaking to me. Pair of 6s in Bluffin's hand, he goes 400 on the big blind. That is an aggressive big blind bet. That's how you aggressively big blind bet. You go quadruple the big blind, not double, not even triple. You gotta go quadruple or you're not gonna scare anybody. So Vendrick might even fold. No, he's gonna play. He's got Jack Queen, why not? Now Ace 7, that is a hand you might fold, but she doesn't. Oh, wow. The pocket 9s re-raised to 700, and everyone's calling, okay? 10-10 king. Oh, wow, that's trip kings, or trip 10s for Allison. $100 from Horace, 200 from PM Star. Bluffin's got 2 pair. He's in for 2 grand. Allison's got 3 10s. She's in for 3,800. Vendrick's got a straight draw. He's in for 3,800. Horace folds. PM Star is still in. She checks. Bluffin's got 3 6s now. He's got a full house, actually. He's got the full house, 6s over 10s. He's in for 4 grand. Pocket 6s, man. Unbelievable. All right. In for 4 grand. Vendrick still has that straight draw. All he needs is an ace or a 9. 4,000's a lot to go in on a gut check. Oh, God. Oh, It's over now. It's all over. Okay, Bluffin, you got the option here. Go big, buddy. Go in for like 8, go in for like 10 grand. There you go. Allison's all in. Vendrick's all in. Oh, wow. Bluffin, 61,849. Woo! That was exciting. That was exciting. That's how you play it, man. I swear, I gotta give shake Bluffin's hand next time I see him, because that guy has really upped his game and he has dominated this entire series. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching that. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to leave a comment down below, but not before clickety-clacking that like button, pounding that big red subscribe button to join our loyal band of posse members. Go ahead and ring-a-ding-ding that notification bell so you can be just like Aerosmith and never miss a thing. My name's Dominic. This has been the All-American Casino Guide. Wishing you luck and reminding you, as always, play responsibly.